I'm going to talk about the AEM mixed mode vector network analyzer. Effectively what the vector network analyzer does is it makes measurements of all of the impairments for all of the cabling infrastructure from 100 kilohertz to 3 gigahertz. It's an optimized device and particularly targeted at automotive and data rates associated with all of the Ethernet cabling technologies, including category cabling as well as all of the copper interconnects. In addition to the cabling infrastructure, it makes measurements of active devices like equipments. It can measure the impairments of the connectors on the active devices and is optimized for those bandwidths. It's complemented with a software that enables it to be utilizing post-processing information, not just the information for the measurements itself, but you can save each of the measurements and records and post-process that information in terms of the additional impairments and functionalities and comparing it against limit lines. Visual representation of the software is demonstrated here. This is a return loss measurement. We can show other screens here. It gives you all of the views of all of the information for the vector network analyzers. In particular today, we have the compelling need to measure at low frequencies with the introduction of data rates down to 10 meg. So we're going from, in some cases, 400 gig to 10 meg, and a lot of these high-end vector network analyzers starting off at 1 megahertz. And this enables you to have a solution for a lot of these lower frequencies. It's optimized and price-effective solution for all vector network analyzer measurements for all of the bandwidths between 100 kilohertz and 3 gigahertz.